Welcome back to my Extrude Series NPL 360. In this video, we'll develop this part step by step in Vision 360. Okay, so I'm first I'll play the video. This one. Okay, so I'll go to the dimensions of this part. You can see that these are the dimensions. So I think it's very complicated, but we'll draw very simple. First, we'll draw this order part. Okay. So from this one here to here, we'll draw this order part. Very simple way. This is one, two lines, and three lines, and three lines. Okay. Just observe all dimensions very easily. This is a R25, radius 25, which means from here to here is R25. Okay. So after this circle, we'll draw 36 line, first line, another 20 line from the center up to the center, okay, this center. After this is a radius of 5 mm, here to here also 5 mm, 7 mm, here to here also, from here to here also 7 mm. Okay, 36, 20 and 7 mm. Okay, first we'll draw this R25 circle, which means R25 radius is a circle, the diameter of 50 mm. Okay, so I'll draw first this radius, this circle. Okay, just I'm going to new design. Okay, click on the part, select the top surface. Okay, so I'm select the one point here, the diameter of 50. Okay, then is equal from here. This point to first will draw 36 mm. 36 mm. 36 mm. Okay, next we will draw the 20 mm. Next we will draw the 20 mm. Okay, so next we will draw the 7 mm. Okay, 36 mm, 20 mm, and 7 mm. Totally how much? Just draw the line from here to here, 63 mm. Okay, so exactly this side also. Okay, so next we'll this side, one side is done. Next we'll side, other side will do. From here to 63 mm. 63 mm and top side to touch this point. Okay, trim this area. Finish sketch. Wait. After this extrude, we'll draw this top mm. This extrude, how much it is? This totally 8 mm. This is 6 mm. This one is a 6 mm. That one is a 5 mm. Okay, you can measure it. You can easily measure from this total height is 18 mm here. The total height is 18 mm here, and this one is 11 mm, which means this was 7 mm. Though this thickness is 7 mm, you can observe very here. The difference between the 18 and 11 is the thickness, this width of this base part. So that is 7 mm. 7 mm. Okay, I'll clear those things. Next, after this, so we'll go with 6 mm. So this was 6 mm. 6 mm. Okay. After this, so we'll draw this one or we'll draw this one. Okay. So after this is exactly center point. No man, somewhere it is mistake. This 7 mm, it's 25 mm, 23 mm. Goodness knows. 8 mm. This one is 8 mm, 8.2 mm. 1.2 something. Okay. Just I'll extrude this part. How much it is? It is a thickness of 3 mm. The difference between the 25 and 22 is a 3 mm. Let's sketch this one. Select this one. I'll go with offset. Minus 3 mm. Okay. Finish sketch. Just click on extrude. This part. Yes. 11 mm. Okay. This is 11 mm. And this one is 18 mm totally. This one is 11 mm. Okay. So next we'll do this part. We'll do this one. You can observe that the 4 holes drill. Just observe here. The 4 holes drill. The 4 holes drill 3.42 into 90. The tap of 40 mm is 619 mm. The 4 has 3.92 depth and 63 mm and 0.6 mm deep. So we'll go with 5 mm holes. This is a 5 mm hole we'll go with. Okay. Before that we'll do this one or this one or this one. So we'll make this one first. Same else we'll just this also. Otherwise we'll do this 1, 2, 3, 4 are the 4 mm, 4 mm. Okay, 4 mm holes. Before that I'm going this center point, this extrude. Okay, point number 1, point number 2, and this point number 3. This point where it is from 20, 14 to 20. From here we can see this is 7 mm, here to here 20 mm, and here to here 14 mm. Just observe here from here to here is 7 mm, and here to here is 20 mm, and here to here is 14 mm. Okay, how much? 721 plus 41. Okay, first this center points will draw with 4 mm, and this from this to this is 3 mm radius, and also same chamfer offset. Just I'll go back 4 mm or 3 mm will draw. 3 mm. Okay. Next, just I'll select the offset to this one. Wait, next circle here, 3 mm. Okay. Next, just select the one point, select the line in this corner to select the line on which this side to how much it is 41, 41, 14 plus 7 plus 14 7 21 plus 20 41. Okay, this side also make the line 3 mm. This side also 3 mm. Okay, select this, just otherwise escape, click on line, normal construction, normal or construction. Okay, so fours are all done. Just click on this offset, select this circle, 3 mm, grade 2. This radius is a 3 mm, which means diameter is 6 mm. Dia is 6 mm. Just observe here. Okay, so that just make it as another circle is 6 mm. Okay, okay. So trim this one. Okay, don't want this one. Okay, so after this we'll do some for it. Click on extrude, edit feature, select the circles, and select the circles. Okay, next we'll do this chamfer 3 mm. Okay, chamfer as 3 mm. Just look at this side, to convenient side. As 3 mm. Okay, so this is completed. Next we'll do, just click on home. Okay, this was completed. Next we'll do this one. Okay. Mm, this hole from this is a center point. Which point? It is center point. We'll draw of this is a radius 7 mm, this is a 14 mm, and this is a dia is 8 mm. Just sketch on top. Just go to project. Okay, this center was identified. This is 8 mm hole, and this is a 14 mm, 14 mm. Okay, next draw the lines to this side. Okay, so next this arc is 5 mm. We will make the arc. This die is a 5 mm, YM 10 mm, but we need to identify the center for this one. Okay. Mm, yeah, we'll make it and extrude. Go to fusion, finish sketch. Just click on finish sketch. Click on home. How much extrude it is? It is it was it was 7 mm actually. It is a 14 mm. This one is 14 mm exactly. This is 11 mm. Okay. We'll go back to fusion back 14 mm minus 14 4 mm. This is 3 mm. You first give it 2 mm. We'll work. This is a 4 mm actually. This is a 4 mm. Okay. So this one is a how much? How much it is? From 3 mm. This is 3 mm. Okay. This 3 mm. It is sketch 3 mm. Okay. And just will work brown. Click on this. Give the 5. Brown. Click on this. 5. Okay. So this part is completed. Next, we'll draw the center one. Which one? This one. So for this, we need to identify the center. This is 14 mm, and this is also 14 mm. This is 20 mm, and center to here is a 10 mm. Okay. This was 5 mm. First, we'll write this. We'll do this one. Just I'm going to center. Click on this. This is like somewhere to normal 7 mm and 20 mm. Click on project, Click on this line 7 mm and 21 mm, 27 mm. Okay, and 27 mm, 7 mm, and 27 is the center point. At the center point, we'll draw the. This is 10 mm and this side is 20 mm. This is 20 mm totally. This 10 mm to this here. Okay. First, we'll draw 20 by 20 rectangle. Then we'll extend to this side. This is a center point. Okay. Let's click fusion. Go to create rectangle. Center point rectangle. 20 by 20. Okay. To here. Okay. Then this one. Finish. Then do this. Okay. How much? 20. 14 mm. 14 mm. Okay. Finish it. Two. Select this point. As how much? This and this is same. Then 3. 7 mm, 3 mm. 3. Okay. So this is a throughout hole maybe. Yeah. This one is a throughout holes. We'll make it throughout holes. For this oops, after this, just to go back. Extrude. Sketches. Body sketches. Sketch 3. Finish sketch. Extrude. Finish sketch. Just a minute. Perfect. Next, we will do this side. Here also we'll make this sketch. Extrude. Select this area and sketch. Finish sketch. Okay. So just I made this sketch and I'll write these 4 circles. With these 4 circles. So that inner part also completed made this one and this one. Only 2. Okay. This was just this is a 14 mm and the 14 mm and the circles is a 6 mm. Radius is a 3 mm. Okay. Right. This 14 mm. Here there is 14, here to here 14. And top to here how much? This there is not identified here. 14 is 20, 6 mm, 6 mm, 3 mm, 3 mm. From top 3 mm, bottom 3 mm. Take one line. to this 3 mm and draw this side to draw this side. So here 3 mm is 1 point. 3 mm and 3 mm. And next here to 14 mm. Here 14 mm. Okay, this line normal construction. Normal construction. Okay, 3 mm 6 mm dias. Okay. Yeah, click on home. This is holes. Stereo sketch. Okay. So next, just turn on this one. Okay, next we'll do the radius 5 mm. Okay, this is the radius of 5 mm. We'll do this one. This 8 mm, this 5 mm. Fillet. This is 5. Okay. So next we'll make it on the back side. We'll draw two at the same time. Sketch. Okay. In the center, how much it is? From center, 68, 34. This one and 34 this one. From here to 7 mm. Just draw. Okay. Next here to here is 32, 34, 68, 7 mm. Okay. Next here to here is 68, 68, 68. Okay. 7 mm, which means 6 mm and 14 mm. 6. And we have to 14 mm. Here to here is 14 mm. Okay. Then I will do this. Wait a minute. That is correct. Somewhere mistake happen. We'll see that. 34. This is also 34. Draw 34 point here. Hmm. Okay. And this side. Okay. And the down. Okay. We'll make it finish. Go outside. How much it is? 6 mm. 6 mm. Perfect. Okay. So next this will do round as 8 mm here. And here also round as 8 mm. 8. 8. Finish it. We left with these two parts. We left with these two parts. Okay, from the center it is 8 mm. From center it is a 8 mm, which means 9 mm, 9 mm, and okay. So just apply the colors. Just apply the colors. We will continue. We'll apply the colors first, and I will continue in the next video. Apply. Okay, done. Okay, we'll continue in the next video.